In the dense, verdant jungles of Central America, a team of archaeologists embarked on an expedition to unveil the mysteries of the ancient Maya civilization. The year was 1935, and the location was the remote and unexplored site of Tikal, buried deep within Guatemala. Dr. William Coe, a renowned archaeologist with a lifelong passion for the Maya, led the team. His eyes gleamed with anticipation as he scanned the vast, overgrown ruins. The air was thick with the scent of earth and decay, a testament to the passage of time. As the sun rose, the team set to work, carefully excavating the ancient city. The first discovery was modest, a broken pottery shard, but it was enough to ignite their enthusiasm. The day wore on, and with each passing hour, the secrets of Tikal seemed to reveal themselves a little more. The climax came when they unearthed a grand temple, its walls adorned with intricate carvings that hinted at the civilization's advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. Inside, they found a series of hieroglyphs detailing the ruler who had commissioned the temple's construction. The discovery sent ripples through the academic world. The hieroglyphs revealed new insights into the Maya's culture, religion, and political system. The findings were hailed as a breakthrough, a testament to the civilization's sophistication and complexity. But the greatest revelation came from the site's location. Tikal was not isolated, as many had believed. It was part of a vast network of cities, connected by trade routes, alliances, and war. The discovery reshaped the understanding of the Maya civilization, revealing a dynamic, interconnected society that spanned across centuries. The excavation of Tikal was more than just a dig. It was a journey into the past, a peek into the lives of a civilization long gone. The discoveries made at Tikal continue to influence our understanding of the Maya, serving as a reminder of the rich and complex history that lies buried beneath our feet.